Hey guys, welcome to our brand new repair studio. Please excuse my poison ivy, it's not gonna be too big of an issue, but today we have an iPhone 12 Pro Max sent in by Leo all the way from Inglewood, California. This thing has a destroyed back glass, and today we're gonna be fixing it. So come on, let's get it done. So right here we're vaporizing the adhesive that sits in between the glass and the frame. This laser machine is the best thing ever. And yes, I did have to put my username right there because other people wanted to post my videos. Now it's crunch time. That was smooth, but sharp at the same time. That does not look pretty, but you know what they say, breakdowns create breakthroughs.
It's not your fault.
We'll put it in the laser machine one more time to take off any remaining glue. And for those of you wanting the laser sounds, here you go. Next, we'll start prepping the frame for the new back glass. We'll take off any adhesive strips, brush it down with a wire brush, clean it off, and replace that missing MagSafe strip. And then put some new glue down for the new back glass. All that's left is some cleanup and then clamping it down so that the adhesive sets. And there we go. It's looking brand spanking new. Let me know what you think of the new recording studio. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.